Every now and then, do you like to go to the movies occasionally? If so, you might say, I go to the movies every now and then. This is a commonly used phrase that means occasionally or sometimes but not regularly. If you go to the movies every week, that's not every now and then, it's regularly or often. You can also say once in a while, which has a similar meaning.
Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you're never coming around. Turn around.
Here are some typical examples. I like to treat myself to ice cream every now and then, but I don't eat it every day. Every now and then, my grandparents visit us from out of town. It's good to take a break from work every now and then to relax. English is a rich language with many idioms and phrases. Using them will make your English sound more natural and colorful. So, how about you? Do you like to meet friends for a drink every now and then, or do you do that all the time? To discover many other easy-to-use phrases, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.